we will learn and practice on 1, on 2, slow and fast. The move on 1 and on 2 is the same. Be sure to practice both. Let's learn tap cross 5. We'll start basic on 1, slow. We'll practice tap cross 5 together with tap 4. Are you ready? Let's go. Tap cross 5. Tap, step to the back, cross, and tap 4. Now with the right. Tap, step to the back, cross, and tap 4. Basic. So make sure to go over tap 4 in the link below. Let's go again with the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. Notice that we don't use the 4 and 8. Yeah, let's go again with the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the right. And get ready for full speed. 1 basic. Let's go. And let's go. Tap cross 5 and tap 4. Tap cross 5 and tap 4. Basic. Let's go again. 1, 5, 1, 5. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. Tap cross 5 and tap 4. Now with the right. Yeah, doing great. Let's do it again. Slow, basic. The more you practice, the better you get. So make sure to go through all practice. Let's go again with the left. Tap, step to the back, cross, and tap 4. Now with the right. Tap, step to the back and cross, and tap 4. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Ready for one more? Let's go with the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. And you know what? Let's call tap cross 5 and tap 4 tap cross 5 extended. Let's go. Tap cross 5 and tap 4, which is tap cross 5 extended. Now with the right. And get ready for full speed. 1 basic. Go. And let's go. Tap cross 5 extended. Tap cross 5 and tap 4. Tap cross 5 and tap 4. Basic. Let's go again. Tap cross 5 extended. Go. 1, 5, 1, 5. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. 1, 1. Now let's do it on 2. Basic is different, but the move is exactly the same. Tap cross 5 and tap 4. Just start with your right. Basic on 2 slow. And let's start with the right. Tap cross 5 with the right. Tap, step to the back and cross, and tap 4. Now tap cross 5 with the left. Tap, step and cross, and tap 4. Basic. You see, it is exactly the same on 1 and on 2. Just start with the right. Let's go again with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. And notice again that we don't use the 4 and 8. Yeah. One more time slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the left. And get ready for, full speed. Basic. Let's go. And let's go. Tap cross 5 and tap 4. Tap cross 5 and tap 4. Basic. Let's go. Tap cross 5 extended. Go. 1, 5, 1, 5. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. Doing great. Now let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Yeah. Practice makes progress. And if you do it enough, it makes permanent. So let's go with the right. Tap, step and cross and tap 4. Now with the left, tap cross 5, tap, step and cross, and tap 4. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Ready for one more? Let's go with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. And remember, we are practicing tap cross 5 and tap 4, which is tap cross 5 extended. Let's go. Tap cross 5 and tap 4, which is tap cross 5 extended. Now with the left. And get ready for full speed. Basic. Go. And tap cross 5 extended. Go. 1, 5. Tap cross 5 and tap 4. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. 1, 5. 1, 5. Basic. Yeah. Doing great. One more. 1. 1. Now let's practice face to face. I'll flip the screen. Continue basic on 2 slow. Yeah. And let's go for 3 in a row with the right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the left. Remember, no basic. With the right again. Tap cross 5 with the right and tap 4, which is tap cross 5 extended. Now with the left. Yeah, doing great. Let's go for the 3rd time. With the right. 5, 6, 7. With the left. 1. And get ready for full speed. Yeah, basic. Go. And 3 in a row. Let's go. 1, 5. 1. No basic. 2nd time. And 3rd time. Now let's practice all on 1. Basic on 1 slow. And let's go for 3 in a row, starting with the left. Let's go. Tap cross 5 with the left and tap 4. Yeah, now with the right. Remember, no basic. So let's go for the 2nd time. With the left and with the right. Tap cross 5 and tap 4. With the left. This is the 3rd time. Now with the right, getting ready for full speed. Basic. Let's go. 1 and 3 in a row with the left. 1, 5 with the right. Remember, no basic. 2nd time. Third time, which is the last time. Yeah, well done. And thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation, and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of skill. So keep practicing and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day, try to add a drop to the cross and a chest pop to rising up.